Hello, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up an integration for transferring leads from the Google Lead form to the Snovio email service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new leads from the Google Lead form to other systems. For example, in Snovio you can add new contacts and set up email campaigns for them. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select a data source system. In this case, choose Google Lead form. Now you need to select the system where you want to transfer new leads from the Google Lead form. In this case, select Snovio, Add Contacts. At this stage, we need to create a virtual Google Lead form account in the Save My Leads system. In this window, we can give it a name or just click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Now you see the URL for receiving data. This is the URL where new data from the Google Lead form will come. In order to continue setting up, copy the URL and go to your personal account Google Ads. Next, go to the Ads Assets section. Section Assets and select Lead Form. Now you need to select the lead form from which we want to receive new leads and go to its settings. Next, find the Item Other Data Integration options. Paste the copied URL from the Save My Leads system. Copy the last part of the URL and paste it into the key field. Now you need to generate a send of new data to this URL. For this, click Send Test Data. After successful sending, we save the settings and return to the personal account Save My Leads. At this stage, you need to connect your Snovio account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, you must specify the API username and API key. To get this data, go to your Snovio personal account. Next, go to Settings. API section. Copy the API user ID and API secret and paste them into the appropriate fields in the Save My Leads system. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Next, you need to select a list in which new contacts will be added with each new lead from the Google Lead form. Now, you see the Snovio fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from the Google Lead form to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Snovio as new contacts for each new lead from the Google Lead form. If something does not suit you, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Snovio. After successful submission, go to Snovio and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from the Google Lead form to be instantly transferred to the Snovio service in the form of new contacts, you must enable auto update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do it in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.